for women, men, and children. Ultra light, high performance, durable flexibility. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna start with this piece right here. First time in my natural hair journey, I didn't put any product, water, or anything before I detangle. I'm praying to God that I don't lose a lot of hair. Wait.
Simply Cheryl, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
Y'all heard about that viral TikTok brush, the Unbrush? That's supposed to really get into all the snags and the knots. It's supposed to make the detangling process a walk in the park for all hair types and textures, even when your hair is at its most unruly, unmanageable state. You gotta try this because, baby, to be a natural is to know a natural, and to know that we don't play when it comes to our brushes. Your girl has every brush that you can think of. And to be honest with you, out of all of the brushes I've tried, the one that I love the most is the Tangle Teaser. She has been through the ringer. Honestly, she's looking real raggedy, but I love her. I love her and I will never get rid of her because she makes my detangling process a walk in the park, and my kids as well. As y'all can see, my hair is looking a whole hot mess. Girl did this for the sake of the video. Didn't comb it, didn't brush it, didn't oil it, nothing. You see the frizz? Look at all this. Bitty Beads is out to play. There's no shame in my game. I want to see what it does. We're gonna jump right into this and see what this hype is about. Was it really worth the $18, or is it just hyped up for nothing? This is what she looks like. Let's open her up. Untangle, unknot, undo. She's pretty. Like, I went with the pink and black. They have a variety of different colors, but you know I'm extra and I wanted something that was gonna be pretty as well. One thing I noticed already is that it's super lightweight. Lightweight, like you could blow it and it's gonna fly across the room. Also notice no back. It's super flat, as you can see. It gives like very flimsy. I also noticed that the handle is kind of on the short side. Teeth is wide, and that's what you want. Feel very like flexible and bendable, so that lets me know that it's gonna get through. The way this is set up, y'all think I'm playing. What about the takedown? We're gonna take it down. I'm lying, look at my hair. Oh, she got that good hair, but this good hair gets tangled, okay? It gets tangled, it gets dry, it gets matted. The state of the hair right now. I want y'all to see how my hair looks. I'm gonna read the pros about this brush first, before we do anything. So, double flex anti-static bristles work like magic for gentle tangle release and reduce breakage, okay? Works equally great on wet and dry hair. Perfect for women, men, and children. Ultra light, high performance handle that allows durable flexibility and ease of use. 58 long bristles, carefully and easy to tangle, even with the most stubborn hair. I was thinking I should split the hair down the middle, try the Tangle Teaser, and then try the Unbrush. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna start with this piece right here. This first section, there's no product in the hair. This is the hair. I don't know about y'all, but I feel crazy. This will be the first time in my natural hair journey where I didn't put any product, water, or anything before I detangle. So I'm praying to God that I don't lose a lot of hair. I'm also praying to God that this was worth my $18. When I hear snapping, y'all hear that snapping? Wait. Wow. Hold up. Wait. Hold up, wait. Did y'all see that? I was under like 30 seconds, baby. Like, literally, look. And a lot of hair did not come out. I'm gonna test out the Tangle Teaser. So we're gonna do a piece with the Tangle Teaser and see how long it takes and if I get the same, cause this is crazy. Sometimes people just be amping things up just cause, but baby, no. Y'all know I'm gonna tell you what it is. And hold on, I'm gonna use my Tangle Teaser. This is my baby right here. Don't make me look bad. I'm not going to even lie to you guys. I feel like the Tangle Teaser definitely worked just as well as the Unbrush, but I feel like the Unbrush, it glides through easier. Like, it grips on and it like literally pulls the hair, but it doesn't snag your hair. I noticed that with my Tangle Teezer, it does pull sometimes. Not too much, but I lose more hair. The Tangle Teezer brush is $20. The Unbrush, retail price $18. I'm trying to get a real, ooh. I wanted to get like a really, really knotty like piece of hair. It's crazy. Like it literally just goes through like butter. Like look at this. What type of bristles are these? Oh my goodness. Well, I'll be damned. And you know what's crazy about this brush? As I'm doing, you can hear your hair like what's going through the brush, and it sounds like it's rough, and it sounds like your hair is gonna break. But it literally goes right through like immediately. Like there's no struggle. Where? Struggle where? Where? Some of you guys probably don't think that this is considered tangled or matted or unruly, but baby, I know my hair and my hair type and my hair texture, and this would have taken me a longer time if I used any of these other brushes. Crazy, like unbelievable. Crazy in a good way, y'all. I am impressed. All the hair that came out of this brush. All right, y'all, so we had to take it to the shower because the way that brush detangled my hair when it was dry, I can only imagine after I apply my conditioner what it's gonna do. So I just wanted to demonstrate and show you guys and actually see for myself what it does. I'm gonna use this conditioner. I'm gonna split this section because this is kind of thick. Wow, 3 strokes? 3 strokes like, what? This is crazy. Look at this. Did y'all see me? It was like a 1, 2, 3, and boom. We're going right through. There's no struggle. I'll be honest, when I do wash my hair and I put the conditioner in it, I don't really struggle as soon as I apply that Aussie. Y'all know Aussie's the go. That's literally like my favorite go-to when my hair is in a really like tangled state. But when I use this Tangle Teezer, I do have to take my time, and it's not a 1, 2, 3 all the time. Look at this. Like, stop. Look at this. And wait a minute, look at the way it's defining these curls though. I never thought I'd say this, but I cannot wait for my next wash day. You know it's a big deal if I'm saying this. Y'all know how we dread wash day. Y'all know how long wash day takes. This is going to cut it in half. Look at this. Like, come on somebody. Just goes right through. My arms are not hurting, hardly any effort. Do y'all believe me now? I could sit here and talk about this brush all day, but instead I'd rather click the link in the description and go get you an Unbrush. This brush is bomb. I'm going to add it into my routine. I'm going to use it on my babies. I'm going to tell everybody that I know who has a hard time with detangling, especially with your little babies. It's going to save the game, okay? It's going to be very beneficial for everybody, and even men can use it. So fellas, y'all not excluded either. I don't really have any cons about the brush. Honestly, I've seen some people say that, you know, they wish that the brush had more of like a grip because it's not, you know, it can slip out your hand, but I'm part of the little tiny petite little crew, so I don't really struggle. The brush fit perfectly in my hand, even though I noticed the handle is a little short, but that's not really a big deal. Brush, I was very shocked because my first initial thoughts looking at the brush, now again, just looking at the brush, it looked very flimsy. It looked like it was gonna break. It looked like it wasn't durable. I was wrong. This brush is very sturdy. It's very durable. The teeth are strong on it. All I'm gonna say is that these bristles is bristling. It's not bending. It's very durable. Let's just say looks can be deceiving. You gotta try it. Definitely cut detangling in half, and if you're somebody who just doesn't want to deal with your hair, you definitely want to get this. Okay, a little investment in yourself is definitely worth it because You're gonna get longevity out of this, and it's gonna be painless, it's gonna be fast, it's gonna be easy, and you can continue on with your day. If you know, like I know, after a long day of washing my hair, I'm beat. Okay, I'm beat. I don't want to do anything else because it takes so much time with the whole process of parting my hair, separating my hair, detangling, sure I don't have any knots, and then styling it. It's just like, bruh, my whole day is taken up. It works both great with dry hair and with wet hair. I usually don't play around with my hair when it's dry, but I beg to differ with the Unbrush. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Also comment down below if you've tried it and let me know your experience with it as well. Here, with that being said, I'm gonna because I'm cold. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload.
Simply Michelle.